architecture being implemented with two different projects. One is a custom component for corner button and corner text fields. The other project, the main project, has this controllers in the controllers folder, and then models in model folder, views in views folder. Also the configuration which is used in the application is saved in configs folder, as well as the extension built for extending the user default with the dictionary, and then UI view controller with the alert component, and the bundled app name view controller with hood, also view controller with image selection, and extending the date time with string and boolean has been implemented in extensions. Also the biometric authentication of the application and the user service to register, create user, and then login, as well as the email verification or password reset. Likewise, this functionality has been implemented in user service. The event related functionality has been implemented in event service, which is the creating an event. File upload in related to either user image profile upload, and the event image upload has been implemented in this storage service. Also some other utilities like validators, UI view utilities, and datetime related utilities has been implemented in utilities folder. Storyboards related to the application has been implemented as these regular storyboards. So storyboard has this navigation. This is the main navigation from the either you have this submit or event list, create list, and then user related profile management implemented with main tab navigation component, and that has three different navigation component to divide it into sub areas, like when you want to select a user list, there will be either you can see particular event and the details of that event from that tree link, as well as if you go to profile navigation, you will be able to upload a profile, and then from the that window you can log out as well. From the other navigation related to the submit an event, so either you can submit an event, and if it is already submitted, you can just view event details. So these are the components in that tree. Also there's another storyboard for the login. In login storyboard, either you can view as a guest, or log into the system as a guest, or you have either authentic biometrics authentication with face ID and forgot password, as well as the registration. So these are the storyboards in the application. This is also there's also supporting files like the assets of the application, and the app delegate, scene delegate, and the view control of the main components. This is the application architecture, as well as the database architecture is listed here. So you have this cloud storage, which is storing the uploaded event files and user profile files in the real-time database, you have two nodes for to store events. Event has this attribute like the cost of the event, description, end date and the start date, and the image of the event as whether it's pending or not. This is implemented to authenticate grant or publish the event after submitting one user, and then curate whether this content can be submitted to the public by admin interface. The user related user profile and other additional data will be stored here as a user entities. Authentication been implemented with uh, email authentication and phone authentication, but phone authentication not implemented yet. Users will be authenticated via username and passwords. That is the cloud, the Firebase architecture.